Alright guys, so this is the Porsche 911 that we've been working on. It's sitting out there right now. We've fitted rear spacers, only 12mm spacers on the rear, but we are getting like a rubbing sound. Every time the wheel is turned, we only hear it sound once and it's like a shh, 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 shh. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and see if the problem lies with the bolts being too big. Sometimes you will get also, if the bolts are too big, sometimes you will also get a clicking noise, like a click, 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 or a clunk, 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 like a metal sort of sounding clunking. But ours is more like a but it still could be the wheel bolt. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to see if we can grind each bolt down, maybe just by 1mm or so. Then hopefully that might stop the sounds, but we will come back and report back once we've done that to see if that cures the problem. Alright, so this is one of our wheel bolts. Have it in the vise. It's quite steady there. Make sure you always wear protective clothing. Goggles are essential when you're grinding. In this case we're just going to use a standard Black & Decker here, and all we're going to do is try and shave off about 1mm of the bolt itself. We'll do this with all 5 bolts. There we go, it took about 1mm from that. Right, so after cutting back all bolts by about 1mm, we've been out for a test drive in the Porsche. It's been raining, but it was an instant success, and there was no more scuffing or rubbing sounds as the wheel turns.